This old device was used to dry and flatten clothes before modern washing machines existed. The clothes mangle was once an essential part of daily life, found in homes and busy laundries from the late 1700s into the 20th century. Built with two heavy rollers, a hand crank, and a sturdy frame, this simple mechanism offered a practical solution for a demanding chore. After laundry was washed, each wet garment was carefully arranged between the rollers. Turning the crank, or sometimes pressing a foot pedal, pressed the fabric through with steady pressure. Water streamed out, soaking the trough beneath, while the cloth emerged flatter and nearly dry. Mangles spared families the exhausting task of hand-wringing clothes, which could be especially difficult for heavy linens and tablecloths. Women, who often managed household laundry, found the mangle made the process swifter and less strenuous, freeing up precious time for other work. Early mangles had wooden rollers and iron frames, gradually evolving to rubber rollers that gripped fabric better and lasted longer. Some models included intricate gearing, allowing users to adjust pressure or make turning easier, while others were portable, designed to clamp onto tables in small kitchens. As technology advanced, mangles became more versatile. Large, freestanding types were common in laundries, while compact versions fit into family homes. Their design shifted with changing materials and manufacturing techniques. In the early 1900s, mangles were integrated as wringer attachments on electric washing machines, blending tradition with innovation. Over time, fully automatic washers and spin dryers rendered standalone mangles obsolete, but their influence remains clear. Antique mangles now serve as reminders of household ingenuity. They mark a step in the evolution of everyday technology, showing how simple machines once transformed the rhythm of ordinary life.